that's for sure. She loves the attention that she gives. Showing off with a girl, and she got me watching too. 'Cause she knows. She knows.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cadeen. If you're new here, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Just subscribe. Like it not gonna take you much if you just subscribe. Anyways, guys, as you can see from the title, today is Christmas. So Merry Christmas, or for who don't celebrate Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hope everybody having a great time enjoying their family or their spouse or whatever you're doing. Hope everybody having a great time. Right now I'm kind of run on a time crunch because everybody starts to come over because Christmas dinner is going to be at my house. We're having a late Christmas dinner, guys, because it's almost 7 o'clock or 6 o'clock right now. I'm in a bed, I'm in a shower, I'm gonna put on my hair, I'm gonna do nothing. So we're going to do that and enjoy Christmas with my family. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to put on my favorite wig. Hold on. I'm going to show them. I can't hear people downstairs right now. Food not start share yet, which is great. Cause everybody are gonna share them own food. Too much people there for sit down on one table. So yeah, we're gonna eat, drink. Oh, I can't wait for the drinking part. A long time I'm gonna drink anything. So we're going to eat, drink, listen to music, maybe play some games, you know, talk, catch up, whatever. So we're going to get into me doing my hair right now, guys. If you hear music or whatever, it's everybody downstairs making all this freaking noise. So yeah. So anyways, this is the wig that I'm going to use. It's on my Amazon storefront if you want to purchase it, guys. It's literally one of my favorite wigs. Like, I love this wig. So yeah, let's get into it because as I said, I run late and more hurry up. So let's get into it. It's currently 7:25, almost 7:30, and honestly, my family downstairs, most of them eat already. I went downstairs to bless the food and whatever, and then I come back and what you call it? I come back and I don't even know what I said to all. I'm flustered right now. But honestly, my family just have to know that girl things take time. Like, at girl, not just at girl overnight. It takes time. So them know. So I have to get ready. I have to look cute. So yeah, they just have to understand. So I'm going to finish getting ready. I was going to do makeup, but I'm not really going to do much. Because I'm just going to put on some lashes. My little brother buy me some lashes for Christmas. So I'm going to put them on. Actually, I don't know if I put them on because they look kind of weird. So, but I might just put them on. Why not? Just put on some lashes and yeah, just some lashes. I wanted to do my eyebrows, but I'm not going to because I don't feel like it. Thank God my eyebrows laminated. But yeah, it's band for an hour. I joke, I'm gonna keep on this long thing for an hour. But let's do a little bit of skincare and then put on these lashes and fix my eyebrow a little bit, and let's go downstairs, guys, because I know my mother's supposed to be irritated with me right now. So yeah.
Go downstairs.
No? Me record.
They love it when I turn up the bass.
I don't get up out of the make some people.
Conditions in that case, toxins that these may increase the risk of serious side effects.
What are you trying to say?
See for yourself at BotoxCosmetics.com.
That's not what she said.
No, me ask no. No, not you want that.
Put ginger in there.
Oh, she now just come.
Even if it's a little bit, she's not gonna drink it. Come, guys. Shamar, come. Wine. We're not supposed to drink it. That like 4%. Shamar.
Wait, let me switch my list.
Shamar.
So you give me some big cup.
In a big. Come.
That's when you see a lot of food.
So me say, by the time I start, let me gain weight. Come like a fatty that me belly or something. I just gain weight. Come now, uncle. She have video it or something. Come please.
We have chairs too.
Live. Yes, come on. Come live. You set it, Sean.
So let's say you want to listen.
That me I got do.
And then another in there. And then
My hand is there.
you know your hand. Put it in the chair.
You know what? Never mind. Everybody. We have chairs too.
More life, family, love, and more blessings.
Money.
Well,
The blessings.
It's not bad. Don't.
Wine smooth. No smooth. Wine.
I could taste the pineapple.
What put sugar in this?
That's it.
Part of the juice. That's part of the juice.
I know chewy juice, I'm doing it, Andre. And you want somebody now?
Juice and fresh sugar.
It's the bomb.
When you make it naturally, you make it nice.
No, the time I make it just for just being at the other time I do it for this. You know what I find out from the give this amount of juice?
Oh, we're going to try pineapple.
I just pineapple alone.
So fix that watermelon.
Yeah, if I did something I drink.
Now I'm drunk like a bubble.
Sorry.
Drunk like a skunk. How about the cake?
Thank you there. I hope I can walk down the stairs.
Fly.
Uncle, we carry
You
on.
carry. Really, Cleve?
I gotta just fall down.
I knew he was going there.
It's just coming up is the problem.
Oh yes. I'm inside or outside? Me? Inside or outside? Outside.
Just stick up now. I know who's a woman loves to do the door party. Yes.
Can carry me over? Okay.
I still see some of them are when I teach them. So, look good.
Well, if you have that no food,
No, but look how it's not too wide. If you come like that, teeth mix like that. You understand? It's like how we have to get the boy on small.
you go feel roti and I can't yeah.
No, we don't know.
Girl, I'm not going on that take tomorrow too.
Big space.
Oh.
Yeah. You know sugar man, but we never really watch
Take this for
Not take the man. No, we know what sugar man. Sugar man.
I mean, I had the mash. God, no, I touch the plate and then my fingers sore. What do you keep up and come here? But I'm wicked. He's drunk. Maybe I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. At what time? About 10 something or 11 something. Bro, I'm putting on my jacket then. Let me tell me I go for. How much I get want?
How many you have?
You don't know how much I get. How much?
Just about 8 o'clock man you want.
Hey y'all, so I realized that I actually didn't end the video. So you know, after eating with my family, taking pictures, you know, drinking, playing games or whatever, not well, we never playing a game, we were just drinking and listening to music, eating and talking. Basically that's all we did. And I went out for like a little bit, had some fun, came back. It's currently 2 a.m. Good thing we don't have work tomorrow. Thank God. Thank God. Anyways, I hope everybody had an amazing Christmas. I hope everyone had fun with their family and you know all that good stuff. But anyways guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See y'all in my next video. Yeah, see you there. I better see you.